Welcome back. In this tutorial we will talk about the if statement, or we can use in the if statement some logical things like relational operator. So relational operator, we have equal, which mean equal, or not equal, which is this sign. This it mean not equal. And we have a greater than and smaller than, and or greater than equal or smaller than equal. Okay, so we have this relational operator that you can use to manipulate the data that you have inside your applications. That, for example, you have applications which answer a question, and whenever the answer that user are picked from the chosen one, and it's not equal to the actual answer, then you can use the if statements for giving a credit to this person, like for example give them 5 points or something like this, or if the answer is not correct, then you will simply show them a message and tell them, okay, you lost 5 points or something like this. But simple way to understand that, for example, you have a bank account of $300 and you want to buy something, and the price of that one is $350, and you don't know how much money you got inside your bank account, and you are eager to buy this thing in your phone. Then you will click the buy button. Okay, and the button, it will go through this, and so the person who created this application, they go through this logical things. So this if statement. So if statements, we have only two options: true or false. If it is true, then it will go pass by, and you will get the price, or you will get this item that you try to buy. If false, then it will show you the reason why you cannot buy it. Okay, so for example, here we have my balance is 300 and something price is 350. When you try to buy this something, so inside here, inside this if statement, so simply if statement, you can just say if, then open and close bracket, and inside here you will do the relational operator. Relational operator is maybe is equal, or not equal, or greater than equal, something like this. For example, we have this example. Okay, so here we say if my balance greater than equal this price of something that you will try to buy. Okay, if this is true, then this, whatever is inside this curly bracket, the first one, whatever is inside the curly bracket, the first one, that will going to show this to the user, and the second part of the curly bracket, it will going to be not show to the user. So this one will not be available at all. Okay, but the first one will gonna show. So if I will run this, then it will go pass by and say, okay, you could not purchase this price. To do so, get extra $50 to your account. So that means you have to put extra $50. But in the same time, sometimes they have a discount, right? So for example, if I will comment the first line, or comment the first code and uncomment the second one, like this, and here we have the if statement. If we have this plus discount, then let's see what will gonna happen. Then this way it will go pass by this one, and it will say you have purchased this some things for $350 and you have $50 in your account. So this way you can pass in the data, and you can add the discounts or coupons that you get and put it on it. Then it will go through it and check the data inside your applications or inside your account, and if your price or your money you have in the bank is greater than the money that you will try to pay, then it will go past, and you will get this something, or shoes or clothes or whatever you will try to buy. Okay, and if statement, they have something else that called else if. Okay, and the same thing as before, you can add whatever is here and add as many conditions to your code as possible. Okay, and this way the code will go through it and it will pick whatever is equal or whatever is accepted for this logic that you think of, and you will try to engage with the user. Okay, I want you to go through it and use this example and use these 4 or 5 different relational operator, and learn more about it. And in the same time, you look up in the Google and search for the if statements and what they are and how you can use them. It's really simple, but you have to go through it, and you have to understand how they are working. And in the next tutorial, we will complete the if statements by talking about the logical operators and what they are and how we can use them to make things logical for ourselves and for the code as well. Okay, thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one.